So hello guys, Ganesh here. Welcome back to my YouTube channel .dwg Design with Ganesh. So in this series of videos we will start with a new software, so which is Inventor. So the reason behind why I have shifted to Inventor is recently I got an offer on Inventor software, so that's why I need to learn it. So while learning this process, so I want you to learn this also. So whoever have the need of learning this Inventor, so these videos will helpful to them. So in this video what we'll do part design of this particular component in Inventor. So before that we will do I just want to explain the overview of Inventor. So here you can see professional 2026 version I'm using, so which is freely available in Inventor Autodesk website, official website. So but it is limited to only 30 days. So free trial is available for only 30 days, first to 30 days. Okay, so if you want you can use up to 30 days Autodesk professional version, and if you want to learn only, then you can install and use up to 30 days and learn and uninstall. That's it. Okay, so I have installed. So I have 29 more days are left, and this is an interface. So after installing you will find a web icon of Inventor like this, and if you double click once you can open it. You can get a interface like this. So you already know open is used for opening the existing parts, and this is where you can start making new parts. Okay, so in this video we will make this model. Okay, so for making the new model I'm clicking on the new. So okay, I want to let you know one thing only. So we will do nearly 20 part model exercise, and we will do 10 or 15 sheet metal exercises, and we will do 4 or 5 or max of 6 assembly projects. So these all things we will try to cover in these 29 days, and that's it guys. That's the overview of this particular Inventor course. Okay, so without wasting time, let's start it. So if you click on the new, in new case it will only display like this only. Okay, so you will see this standard in, you can see the template is in inches, units are in here, the units are in inches. You need to change it. So if you want to change them, what you have to do, expand it, and here you can see the metric option. So in the metric option you can see the millimeters option. So these are the workbenches. So like SolidWorks you have seen. So part design standard units are there. So in the part design itself the sheet metal is also there. Okay, and next to part design is a assembly. You can see the standard which is a assembly workbench, and here the molded design and weldments are included in the assembly workbench. So if you having the time means we will cover this weldment and mold design also. Okay, and next one is the drafting workbench. So obviously we will try to do as many as videos on drafting. So because drafting is a more important concept than the modeling. Okay, so in our first video we will start making the part design. So the correct template is this one, standard millimeters. Okay, if you double click on this you will start getting into the part design workbench. Okay, so new standard. Okay, let's close this part name. Okay, so this is a design work tree, so which is also known as specification tree, and whatever the things that you are doing in this graphic area or working area, you will see all those things here itself. Okay, these are all called 3D features. So like what you have seen in CATIA and Creo and even SolidWorks. So these are also similar to like this also software. So which is obvious, we will start with one sketch and we will start extruding. So that is the same procedure in all CAD modeling software. So the thing is, here we need to make a first sketch. So based on my drawing, I want to make my first sketch on front and right plane. So where I can see the planes, if you expand the origin, you can see the planes. These are the planes. But if you click on the sketch icon, so it will start displaying the planes. Okay, now I want to choose the right plane, so click on the right plane. It will takes you normal view also. Okay, now select the two circles. So circle command, select this center point and drag it like this, make it two circles. And if you want to give the dimensions, click on the dimension and choose this and this, and 50 is the diameter. Okay, now what are the things that are giving the dimensions, those are becoming constraining, and what are the things and not given the dimension, those are seeming like say those are in the blue color and not constrained. So if you drag it, they will move. Okay, if I am given the dimensions, they will become white sketch, so which means it is fully constrained. Okay, so this is the two things that is fully constrained. So click on the finish it. After drawing the completion, finish it and make an extrusion of 46. Okay, click on the extrusion and make sure it is symmetrical. Okay, 46 and choose the boundary. Okay, so 46 extrusion is completed. Now click on OK. The first step is completed. Now the next step is, I want to make this body up to 3. So this is a 2026 version. So in the extrusion, you are not getting any option for starting offset. Okay, like SolidWorks. So that's why what you have to do, you have to create a plane. Okay, offset from the plane. Select this and click on -3. Enter. Okay. So now the distance from this plane to this edge is a 3. So which is what here mentioned it. Okay, now click on this plane and add a sketch. Okay, now the sketch is looks like, so from this point to the bottom, which is 110 minus 40, it is around 70 plus 12. Okay, we will make with the 70. Okay, so click on the rectangle and make sure these, use the tangent. Here you can set the constraints and the tangent, select this outer surface and this one like this. Okay, so they are tangent. Okay, now the dimension. So if you click on yes from your keyboard, it will start exit from your sketcher workbench. And if you want to get into the sketcher workbench again, what you have to do, click on the sketch and here you can see the edit sketch option. Okay, now click on the dimension, set this point and this, and which is a 70. Enter. Okay, even though you given the dimensions, two dimensions are needed only, so you have given, this is not fully constrained yet, which is because you have to give the geometrical constraints also. Okay, now it is fully constrained and let's make this as a construction. Okay, let's make this line as construction. Here you can see this construction option. Okay, now let's project these elements. Okay, now trim it. Okay, finish it and extrude. Select this boundary, which is not symmetry, so reverse direction, which is a thickness of 18. And okay, after completion, just hide this sketch, hide this plane. Okay, that's it. And the bottom part, so which is a 12 mm thickness, so have done a mistake here, so I should add okay, I should add a 12 mm for the to this also. So 12 mm I have added it. Okay, finish. Now it is okay. The next thing, so select the surface, add sketch. Okay, select this surface, add sketch. Okay, and okay, let's make a one line first of all, so which is a construction line. Okay, now choose a rectangle. Choose a rectangle like this and make sure the symmetry relation, this line and this line and this. Okay, what is the length of overall length? 18 plus 18, 36, 36 plus 34. So dimension 36 plus 34. Enter. Okay, now thickness is okay, thickness is 12. Enter. Now finish it and extrude. Extrude. So this is up to no, up to 2. You have to select a surface and select the surface, so click on OK. So which is not completed. Okay, right, exit, and let's give a dimension only, so it will work. So on opposite direction, what is the direction, what is the dimension? Just 50. Enter. So which is showing in red color means there is a one mistake. So okay, let's delete this sketch and let's make edit this dimension, let it keep it be 70 only. Okay, finish it. Now it is okay, fine for me, and select select the surface and add a sketch. Okay, rectangle. Make sure this edge point and this edge are coincidence, so which is not possible, so just delete it, add a rectangle. Okay, now it is okay. Select a line command and from this midpoint to this mid. Okay, let's make it into construction and use the symmetry relation. Select this line and this center line and make. Okay, I'm pressing the S button because I am already accustomed to change it. Okay, dimensions, so which is 36 plus 34. Enter. And thickness is 12. Enter. And make sure coincidence of this line to this is not possible. Okay, finish it and choose the extrusion and choose up to surface. You can select this surface. Okay, click on OK. Now isometric view again. So extrude up to 40 plus 25, 65. Select the surface, add sketch. Okay, from here select a rectangle from this point to this and choose a coincidence. Select this edge and this line. Okay, now this 65, right? Finish. And what about thickness? 18. So extrude. So on reverse direction, 18. Enter. Okay, now add the fillets, 25 radius, this edge and opposite edge. Now this is okay for me, so isometric view again. Okay, okay, that's fine. So select the surface, and here is a sketch. Select a circle option and center point, and make a one circle like this, and make another circle also. And okay, so let's delete it and finish it and extrude up to 4. So extrude 4 and okay, select the surface, add sketch and add a circle at this. So what is the radius for this one, which is 32 diameter. 32, enter, finish and extrude. So for removing the material, what you have to do, so on opposite direction, so it is automatically removing the material, so that's fine. Let's take it as 10, enter. So okay, 10 is not enough, so edit feature, so let's make it as up to next, through all. Okay, through all we can put, click on ok. Okay, this is fine. Okay, I can use the mirror option for making this same on opposite direction, but before that I need to create a one plane, right? So here you can see the option, you can see mid plane between two planes. So select this, rotate it and this, so you have one plane now, right? Now select this plane and mirror feature and choose the extrusion. So this is the one extrusion. Okay, sorry. So click on the mirror option and features, talking about these features. Okay, this extrusion, this fillet and this extrusion, so I want all these. So okay, so mirror plane, you have to select this as a mirror plane, click on ok. Now it is okay, complete, the bottom part completed. Now after that, so just hide this plane, so we don't need it here, we don't need to display it, so that's it. Okay, now talking about upper portion, so here you can see the 14 mm gap is there. So for that, so I'm creating an offset plane of -14 and okay, so select this plane, sketch and take a one rectangle like here. Okay, so but make sure this line is tangents with this circle, and let's make it into construction and choose the project geometry option and this okay, trim it. I don't know it is trimming or not, I am not even understanding. Okay, let's make it as up to 30. So 80 minus 30, which is 55. Yeah, 55 is enough. So dimension 55, enter. Okay, what about the height? So which is nothing but it, diameter of, okay, so 36, enter. Now finish and use the extrude option. Let's see. Okay, which is fine. And what about thickness? Okay, we'll consider it as 18. Okay, 18, you can consider it as 18. Enter. Now rotate it, set the sketch. Okay, now select the rectangle and choose one rectangle like this, and make sure the coincidence between this and this. Okay, and also select one line from the center point to this center point, and make sure this line has construction, and choose one symmetry relation between like this. And what about 15 15 30 48? So low distance is 48. Enter. And 12 mm is the thickness. 12. Enter. Now finish. Okay, here what I want to do is, so edit the sketch. So use the rectangle command again. Let's make it two rectangles like this. Okay, now what about thickness? The 15 12 is the thickness. 12. Enter. 12. Enter. Okay, now I don't need this part, so what about, so dimension from this to this, I would be getting around 36. 18 plus, okay, 30 plus 48. Okay, so delete this dimension. So from here to here, the 48 it is. Okay, trim this like this. Okay, these are become, control Z, we trim. Okay, trim. Okay, trim. Okay, there is no option, huh? Okay, trim. So delete this dimension and give it again, which is 12. Okay, and the symmetry relation which is lost, like this. Okay, leave, everything is okay. So exit, not exit, so we have to make this 36 length. Okay, so for that, okay guys, I think I have done a mistake. So okay, let's delete this sketch. So the lots of mistakes are there in that sketch. So add sketch. Okay, rectangle. Okay, coincidence, select this edge and baseline, and select one line also. I'm also using Inventor for the first time, that's why I'm taking a bit time. So select this and this. Okay, now dimensions, what about 48? This is also 48. Okay, let's take a rectangle again and take the dimensions from here to here. So dimension from here to here, which is 12. from here to here, just 12 meter. Okay, and just trim it. We will see what will happens. Okay, now select this and this, make sure it is collinear. Okay, collinear constraint, and this one is the dimension that I measured 12. And okay, now let's take a line command again, and let's make a one more entity like this. Okay, this is a vertical line. Okay, there is no option. Okay, select this and this and this. Line, point. Okay, now trim. Okay, this. Okay, this is not a problem. Okay, the dimension from here to here have 3, so from here to here 3, and okay, we finish, and let's extrude it up to 36. Extrude 36, or 36, 38 or 36 on reverse direction. Okay, I think okay, 36, 18 is the radius, so select these 4 edges, and you can choose these also. Okay, now isometrically. So here is the mistake. So what I have to do, I need to edit this sketch. So not this sketch, but this sketch. So this dimension is not given, right? So which is nothing but 38. Okay, now it will be okay. Okay, now isometric. Now select this face, add sketch, and I will add a one circle at this point. Okay, okay, you can see there is a mistake again. So okay, 15 dimension 15, exit, and use the extrude option, reverse direction, and through all, click on OK. Now we have to see where the mistake is. Now this sketch, control check. Okay, edit this sketch. So where I have done the mistake. So coincidence, do this, and this, which is not okay. I think this one is 48 is not correct. So 30, yes, it is 46. 46. Now it will be okay. Right, not right. Yeah, it is 36, man. So okay, so it is 48, that's fine, but this is 36. now everything will be all right. Okay, so this is how you can use the Inventor software. So after that, don't forget to save the file. Control S is the file, and let's make it as, okay, new cat Inventor. So exercise 1 we will replace it. Exercise exercise 1. Yeah. Now it is saved. So this is how you can use the you can design a part. So hope you learned something from this video. Okay, so if you learned it, please do subscribe to my channel so that we will do more videos like this. So thanks for watching this video. Have a great day.